everybody, and welcome back to the Fairy Tale family, where our goal is to put a little bit of magic into your everyday. Today I am so excited to be bringing you the Fall 2019 FabFitFun box. So I love the colors of this box. You know that I look forward to the physical box every time I see it on my deck 4 times a year. So I love the colors here. They're not traditional fall colors, but they're also representative of this kind of sunset on the summer season as we move into true autumn in about 2 weeks this September. So there's also a partnership with the box itself. It's meaningful through the City of Hope, and I will link them down below. So when you open the box up, as always, you are welcomed with such a beautiful presentation and the FabFitFun magazine, where they've been featuring different celebrities on the front. This month is Meghan Trainor, and then inside, in addition, like a regular magazine to the editor's information, it comes with a what's in the box segment. Mark, feel free to insert the clip here if that really makes you happy.
For the box, what was in the box?
Because I envy your normal life.
Put the gun down, David.
It seems that envy is my sin.
Oh, what's in the box?
Not till you give me the
What's
gun.
in the fucking box?
Give me the gun.
And how much each thing in the box is valued for. Now, like with all FabFitFun boxes, there's choice components where you get to choose some of the items that go in, and then also surprise elements, which is something I really love. So I'm going to be sharing with you today some of the things that I received, what they're valued for, and what to do with them. And I'll let you know which of the ones I chose and which came automatically. The magazine also does feature real articles, particularly focusing on how to use their products, which I really appreciate because sometimes I get something super cool that's way too cool for me and I truly have no idea how to use it. That was very much the case when I received my jade roller. I didn't know, I knew it went on your face, but I didn't really know how to maximize the rolling of the jade roller or how to clean it. And so this little ditty taught me how. So we're going to start off with something that I chose. Now, this may not look that exciting for you, but keep in mind, I'm a teacher and I use one of these every day. This adorable little satchel is a Kate Spade lunchbox. Perfect. It says out to lunch in little text right on the front, and it's made of this fabric that you can wipe down. So this would be great as an adult. Like, I'm a messy adult, yes, but I feel like I could also give this to Callie in a pinch and she wouldn't ruin it by spilling juice everywhere. So the value of this little guy is $30. So we're starting off here with $30, one of my favorite items, the Kate Spade lunch tote. Now, disclosure, I have not used anything in this box. I've been waiting to film to use the things in this box. So I will be reading off some of the FabFitFun text to figure out what some of these things are. So next in the box is this Human and Kind Skincare with a Conscience Body Souffle, vegan and cruelty free. This is super pretty packaging. It says it's lightly whipped, 2-in-1, and super moisturizing. Of course, there's plastic on it. One moment, please. Got it. Ooh. Ooh, dang, that smells good. So I am hypersensitive to fragrance that smells really light. You may have to test this one. I'm hypersensitive to fragrance, but because this is naturally derived, I'm wondering if it's going to hurt me or not. Ideally not. Let's see. This is an $18 lotion and it smells exactly what I thought it smelled like, apricot or apricot oil. really light, but has that like lingering scent, which I like because I don't wear a ton of perfume. So that is lovely, especially as we go into drier months. Such a shame that I'm allergic to all of the Bath and Body Works lotions. I keep thinking I'm not, and then I go in and do their mega sale and I buy the lotion and the body wash and the body scrub, and then 2 days later I'm just one big rash. You guys learn so much about my skin in every video. But I am allergic to everything from Bath and Body Works except for their candles, so this would be a nice replacement, since last year I did, of course, repurchase everything from Bath and Body Works. Something I actually own and I'm at the very end of is this Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. So I bought one of these, and I am certain it says it has a 24-month cap on it. I bought it when I lived in Rockland, so that's easily 7 years ago. Still using it. Probably shouldn't be, but it works wonders as long as you're using a tiny amount. So this is something that you put in your hair after you would wash it. You take a tiny bit, put it toward the ends, kind of comb it through, but it's supposed to protect your hair, which and repair it as your hair gets damaged, which I really like because I do add a lot of heat to my hair, particularly this time of year. So I love how FabFitFun boxes are themed to seasons, and I know that's why they do them, but the idea of like a lotion, a back to school lunch, something to protect your hair because in the summertime you're just letting it be its natural wild self. Love that. And this retails for $30. So that's not cheap. This is 3.4 ounces. That's like, okay, I'm an English teacher, so forgive my math, but I'm gonna round. Like $10 an ounce. Better work. I know it does. I know it does. My ends are just so soft and lovely. So this, I don't know what to do with this. So we're going to read about it together. This is called Skin Volve. It's a body boost gel stimulant, menthol and green tea. It would be great if there was not landscaping happening at any video. I don't know if you can hear it. It's happening outside. I apologize if you can hear it. Let's start a gover. A gover? Yes, let's start a gover. It's Friday afternoon. I'm sorry. I'm so weird. This, I don't know how to use this yet, so we're going to read about it together. But this is from Skin Volve, and it's a body boost gel stimulant with menthol and green tea that is said to tone, firm, and smooth as a pre-workout activator. It's paraben and sulfate free. So this is not what I thought it was. I didn't choose this in my box. This came as a surprise. So did this. And so did the lotion, actually. The only thing so far that I've chosen has been the lunchbox. This says, before any workout, apply to trouble areas like the abs, glutes, thighs, and arms in circular motions and let the tingling begin. Why would you want that? Let's see. What else am I missing? It's $45 for 5 ounces. That is crazy expensive. Let's see. So it says your pre-workout gel targets problem areas to give you tighter, smoother skin. So my question is, as I'm in this weight loss journey and my skin is starting to get loose in certain areas, can I use this not as a pre-workout, but as a daily, like, supplement? Let's see if we can find any other information about this. I guess my question is, like, why before a workout? Because as you're working out, it's tightening everything? If you know, because you work out more than I do, which is everyone, can you please leave it in the comments below, because I genuinely don't understand this product. I want to use it, but I don't want to use it wrong. I love mysteries. Okay, what else is in here? Ooh. If you don't love a gold eye mask, please leave right now. Bye. Yes to these. I have gotten something similar before, but these are called baggage claim gold eye masks. Really, really love this from Wander Beauty. Oh, I love a gold eye mask. Let's see, how much are these? I like to use these when I'm getting ready in the morning. And I love how fancy they make your face look, even though you're not fancy. Me. $25, and you get a 6-pack in here, which is awesome. That's a really good value. We've gotten in FabFitFun some really high-end eye masks, but you only get like 3, and they've been like $75. So I loved those, but I wasn't going to repurchase, so if I like these, yes. Yes. Okay. Now, some of these other things I chose. Some of these other things I chose, so let me tell you what those choices were. Are you kidding me? There's a truck just backing up right outside this window. Let's go! Okay, I'm gonna talk over the beeping, and I'm apologizing. Hi, sir. Time to go. Okay. So I didn't choose these, but I would have. These are Harper and Ari exfoliating sugar cubes. First of all, what a cute packaging idea. It's called Juice Cleanse. Oh, those smell delicious. So the directions here say, take a single cube with you in the shower or bath and gently massage over wet skin, concentrating on rough patches. Recommended use twice a week. So it seems like you could get potentially more than one use out of a cube. We'll see. But how cute. So cute. Also would be a great holiday gift. $16. And 2, 4, you get 8 cubes in here. So not inexpensive, but not crazy expensive. But I most definitely would have chosen these should they have been on my list to choose. Cute. 2 more things to go. I'm saving my favorite for last. Something else I don't know how to use came in this adorable little package from Cosmetics. It's called Pure C Vitamin C Mixing Crystals. Mix crystals, a few shakes with any of your favorite products, and apply to face. Like you wash it, or you like mix it in with your moisturizer. Oh, yes. So this is $54. It's 0.2 ounces. This 54 buckaroos. But you add this to like your nighttime serum or moisturizer to like pep your skin full of vitamin C, because vitamin C is supposed to brighten the skin. I was literally thinking this morning getting ready, I wish my skin didn't look so dull today. And now it doesn't, right? Because I have some oils that are released, and I actually don't mind them, but I wish in the morning my skin looked brighter. So if I put it into my nighttime moisturizer, maybe it will. If I like this, you'll see it pop up in my Instagram stories. If you're not following us on Instagram, what are you even doing? Go into the description box and follow us on Instagram, please. And thank you. And then lastly, the purchase that I was most excited for is the Amika flat iron, which comes in this awesome coral case, very on brand for them. And then the flat iron themselves. Now I did take this out of the bag that it came in because I just wanted to look at it, but oh, she's so pretty with the knob in here that you can't see. So the flat iron I've been using, like the numbers burnt off. I've been using it for easily 10 years. It's all worn right here. Like it gets too hot here because there's nothing protecting it anymore because I've touched it so much. This comes with even its own little carry case. love that. This little nugget, 80 bucks. That's pretty worth it, right? 80 bucks. So for the cost of this $50 box, I'm already seeing a 30% return, and that would make everything else I've received free in terms of what I'm paying for. So I love FabFitFun for this reason, but I'm pumped to use this. I'm wondering if it's going to make a difference that like this hasn't been burned to death yet. Like, will my curls look peppier? Again, IG stories for sure. That completes the box. I'm gonna have Mark put a total right here because math is not my strong suit, up in this corner about the value of this box. Now, the other reason why I like to share my FabFitFun finds with you is because I am a FabFitFun affiliate, and I'm only a FabFitFun affiliate. I applied, they didn't reach out to me. I love receiving these boxes. I've been an affiliate 3 out of the past 4 seasons, and all that means, I'm not getting necessarily a commission, but all that means is that I have a discount code, and that if a certain amount of people purchase boxes, then I get my box for free. So I haven't yet, by the way, gotten a box for free because I'm not really pushing this, but I do have starter boxes, free starter box options if you are interested. So the starter box comes, it's like a smaller mini version, but it comes with full-size products. If you're interested in that, we're going to be having like a subscription contest to that, and I'd be able to give you a mini FabFitFun box entirely for free if you won. So more details on that to come, but if you are interested in getting a FabFitFun box for $10 off, so instead of $50, it would be $40. Please use the link below and the coupon code that go with it, and you can get your box for cheaper. That's kind of how I got started on this FabFitFun journey as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in our next video. Bye.